Okay, so really quick, this is our circuit. The first part was to connect the photoresistance. So the way we did that was we just connected it to voltage, and then we grounded it. We connected both voltage and ground to the Arduino, and then we took out another wire to connect it to an analog input. From there, the signal would come out from digital pins 9 and 8, which would go to our two LEDs. And we just put the specifications in the code to when to turn on each one of them. Then for our LCD, we connected, well, obviously ground and voltage, then the write or read to ground, and then pins 12 and 11, digital pins 12 and 11 to the activate and register section. Finally, we used digital pins 4 to 7 to connect them to our pins DB from 4 to 7 too. And finally, we used potentiometer or a wiper, sorry, to mess with the contrast. So this is our code, and as you can see, I'm running out of time. It works perfectly.